Now we will learn different ways to express the concentration of a substance in a solution. We start with an example. If we have 3 red balls and 6 black balls, we would say red ball is 1/3 of the total number of balls and black is 2/3 of the total number of balls. We say this is the fraction of each type of balls. Similarly, if we have 3 moles of hydrogen gas and 6 moles of oxygen gas, we say that in total we have 9 moles of elementary particles and hydrogen is 1/3 fraction of the total moles and oxygen is 2/3 fraction of the total moles. This is called mole fraction. Just to remind, this pack of 3 moles of hydrogen gas will weigh 3 times the molar mass of hydrogen molecule, that is 2 grams. And oxygen gas will weigh 6 times its molar mass, that is 32 grams. Hence, total mass of this whole collection is 198 grams and hydrogen and oxygen gas are 6 grams and 192 grams in mass respectively. We can also use this to find mass fraction of each of these components. Let's now formally define mole fraction. Mole fraction is the ratio of moles of a constituent to a total number of moles in a solution. If we add an A number of moles of solute A in an B number of moles of solvent B, then mole fraction XA is equal to Na divided by Na plus Nb. We should also remember that sum of mole fraction of each component is equal to 1. Similarly, mass percentage is the percentage of mass of solute present in a given mass of solution. Let Wa be the mass of solute and Wb be mass of solvent. Then mass percentage of solute A is equal to Wa into 100 divided by Wa plus Wb. Parts per millions, ppm. It is the mass of solute present in 1 million parts of mass of solution. Relationship between ppm and mass percentage is mass percentage is equal to ppm into 10 to the power minus 4. Volume percentage is the percentage of volume of solute present in a volume of solution. Let Va be the volume of solute and V be volume of solvent. Then volume percentage of solute A is equal to Va into 100 divided by Va plus Vb. Let's now try to solve a problem. Find the mole fraction of solute A in a solution in which mass percentage of A is 20% in a solution of weight 80 grams. Assume the molar weight of solute is 32 grams and that of solvent is 15.5 grams. When we start a problem like this, we should first think about the target, which is to find the mole fraction of A in this case, and what is given, which are mass percentage of A, total weight of the solution and molecular weight or the molar mass of each component. To find mole fraction, we need mole of A and total moles. We know that we can find moles if we know weight of each component and their molar masses. So we can shift our target to first finding the weight of each component, as we already know the molar masses of each component. A is 20% by weight of total solution and the weight of total solution is 80 grams. So A will be 20% of 80 grams, which is 16 grams. And the rest 80 grams minus 16 grams will be B, that is this solvent. Now that we know the masses of each component, we can find the moles from the weight by dividing these by their individual molar mass. So here we have the moles of A and B. The total moles we have is 4.5 and out of which 0.5 moles are A. So mole fraction of A, that is the solute, is 1/9.